Recently, my cousin and I devoted 2 days of our time to creating our own homemade sugar rockets. So this is going to be a compilation of each of our different launches, how we made them, and the different things that occurred during each launch. So we made the rocket fuel by using the tutorials listed below, and cooking the actual fuel was pretty difficult because it took a long time and it's very clumpy, so it's hard to mix, and scooping it into the actual rocket bodies is a lot harder than it looks. So for the first 2 launches, we tried using a more traditional rocket design. However, these designs were too short and didn't fly very well.
Oh, what the hell? Oh, it's coming. Oh! That one's straight. Oh no. Oh, it's burning on the ground.
Here you can see the aftermath of the launch pad. After seeing the results of our first 2 launches, we decided that we would add rust to the rocket fuel formula. Our way of acquiring the rust was by going to the train tracks and using sandpaper to remove it. So on this rocket we placed a small copper fitting with a 1/4-inch hole drilled in the bottom, therefore there would be a lot more pressure buildup and more force. However, this rocket could not withstand the pressure buildup and the top flew off, which is what can be seen flying up as the actual rocket only reaches about 10 feet in the air.
Where'd it go?
In the rain, I am currently wet and enjoying it.
Oh shit, did it go out?
It may have gone out. Oh, no.
Come on, please go off.
It's gonna go off, dude. It's gonna.
Is it gonna go off?
Oh. Your launch pad is fucked.
Dude, rip.
Yo, take your phone.
God.
Jason, take your phone.
I wonder if that had to do with the water. What melted? Oh, is this all PVC?
Dude, yo! Look at the ground.
That's the sketchy metal nozzle built in.
Oh yeah, maybe we should back up some more then.
You have to send me this video.
Alright. What? Oh my god.
Get that. Oh, now it's in, now it's in.
Yo. Oh my god. Let's go check this out. Rocket engineers out here. What? What are your thoughts?
It's beautiful. It's a little flaccid, but beautiful.
This was definitely our best launch yet, and we used the same technique as we did in launch 3 with the copper fitting. However, this time we also added a plastic fitting on the top to prevent the top from shooting off like it did in launch 3, and as you can see, it worked quite well.